Today on Tech Radar we're talking about nettops. They're the desktop equivalents of netbooks, so they're cut down PCs essentially with more basic processors and graphics. However, these two have both got brand new bits of technology in. They're both running Intel's new dual-core Atom chip and NVIDIA's new Ion graphics processor. These two machines are available for around £300. The ViewSonic VOT132 is £330 and looks very similar to a wireless router, but in fact is a full Windows 7 PC. And the Aspire Revo, which is of slightly more interest, is available in different models, but this one's 265, and it features a 4 gig of memory and a 500 gigabyte hard drive, so it's quite fully featured really. It's also got eSATA on the front and HDMI on the back. The HDMI is quite an important addition because quite often these machines will be used as sort of home media PCs, so they'd sit next to your HDTV. You could download content onto them from whatever download service you might be using, and play it back straight onto your TV. The good news is that they both run full Windows 7, so they're both running Windows 7 Home Premium as opposed to the Windows 7 Home Starter that you might find on a lot of netbooks. The bad news, well, they're not good for gaming. If you're a gamer, they won't be for you. But you know, for anyone that needs a cheap and new PC, they'd be more than adequate. And for most Windows 7 tasks, anything like iTunes, any browsing, perfect. So should you buy one? Well, if you're looking for a cheap PC that can do most computing tasks quite quickly and easily, yes, you probably should. If you want something a bit more powerful, say you're going to be doing some video editing, for example, you won't want one of these. You'll want something with a bit more poke, with a Core 2 Duo probably. Tomorrow on Tech Radar we'll be talking about the Apple iPhone, the new version, it's coming out in June.